everyone, have a pleasant day. This is Srimati from Dr. Ambedkar Global Law Institute, Tirupati. Today we are going to see the techniques of material control or inventory control. There are a number of techniques of material controls are there, but we are going to see the only three. The first one is level setting, and the next one is economic order quantity and ABC analysis. Let's move to the first one, level setting. Today's class is this only, level setting. So in order to have a proper material control, so the following levels are to be set. So the first one is reorder level and minimum level, maximum level, danger level and average stock level. So what is reorder level? So it is about a point or level at which the stock of material goes that the storekeeper has to approach for the purchase requisition of fresh materials or fresh supply of that particular material. That is called reorder level. So this level is fixed somewhere between the minimum and maximum levels in such a way that difference of quantity of materials between this reorder level and the minimum level will be sufficient to meet the requirements of a production up to the time of fresh supply of the material is received. So the time gap is to be fixed between this minimum level and the reorder level, so that the stock, when it is ordered, it should reach the godown so that it won't disturb the production. Okay. So it can be calculated by using the formula. The formula for reordering level is the maximum consumption multiplied with maximum reorder period. The next one is minimum level, or we can say it is about a safety stock. So here this is about a minimum quantity of material which must be maintained in hand at all the times. So here the quantity is fixed so that the production may not be held up due to shortage of materials. Okay. So in fixing this level, there are a number of factors to be taken into consideration. That is the lead time, that is the time lag between the initiating and the receiving the material. That is when they are taking an initiation for purchasing of material and when the material reaches the place of godown. So this gap we can consider as a lead time. So here this time is required to replenish the supply. Okay, and then rate of consumption of a material during the lead time. So how much the factory is going to consume during this period, that is the amount or rate we have to consider. And then the nature of the material. Some of the natures which is about a season we cannot buy all the time, so it should be purchased when it is about a seasonal. But some other materials which is available in all the season can be acquired according to the requirement. So the nature of the material also plays an important role in fixing this minimum level or safety level. So how you will calculate this? By having a formula, minimum stock level equal to reordering level minus normal consumption multiply with normal reorder period. And the next one is maximum level. So here the maximum quantity of a material or item of material which can be held in stock at any time. So here the stock should not exceed this quantity. Okay, so that is the maximum level the company or the factory or the industry could maintain. So here this quantity can be fixed so that there may not be any overstocking. So overstocking should be avoided as far as possible because it has more disadvantages. That is the overstocking is unnecessarily blocks the huge working capital. Okay, that is one. And then the overstocking will need more godown spaces. So the rent will be more to be paid. And then next one is there may be a loss due to obsolescence or account of overstocking. And then there are chances of reduction in the quality because of large stock will require more time before they are consumed. And here there may be a fear of reduction in the market value, so of the values which has been overstocked materials. Okay, so this maximum stock level can be fixed by taking into the factors. So there are number of factors are there, that is the rate of consumption required for production, and then the availability of storage space, then cost of storage, then availability of finance, then extent of price fluctuations, and then reorder level and the time required to obtain the delivery of supply, then availability of quality raw material, and then economic ordering quantities, and then risk of obsolescence, evaporation and natural wastages, and then cost of insurance. And the very important thing is possibility of change in fashion and habit, which will necessitate a change in the requirements of a material. So this can be calculated by having a formula: maximum stock level equal to reordering level plus reordering quantity minus, that is reduced by the minimum consumption multiplied with minimum reordering period. And the next level is danger level. So this means the level at which the normal issues of material are stopped, and the issues are made only under a specific instructions. The storekeeper won't issue the stocks unless otherwise there is about a special instruction received by him. Okay, so this at this level. So when the stock reaches at particular level, the purchasing officer will make a special arrangements to get the materials, and which reach at this level. Okay, so that the production may not stop due to shortage of material. This is about to be calculated by danger level equal to average consumption multiplied with maximum reorder period for emergency purchase. And the next level is average stock level. So this is about average. You know what is about an average. So having about not maximum or not minimum, it is not a danger level, it's an average level. So here the average level equal to the minimum stock level plus half of reorder quantity. This we can have it as a formula for calculating the average stock level. So the following formula is the most popular one, that is average stock level equal to maximum stock level plus minimum stock level divided by 2. This is about an popular one for calculating the average stock level. Okay, today we have seen the level of stock for inventory control. In your next class we will see the problem regarding this. Until the next, it's bye from Srimati. Thank you.